learning how to understand what our dreams are telling us when we're going through a spiritual awakening can be so beneficial in so many ways. It can help us to see what layer wants to be let go of next in the identity. It can show us where we're identified. It can show us what beliefs we have about the world, about others, what wounds we have that want to be healed, what inner child parts are there that want to be loved. It can show us memories of the past that were repressed, help us to access emotional content that we weren't able to during the day, because it really digs deep into the unconscious and allows us to access things that we may not be able to when we're awake. And so we can use this really as a gift to help us with unpacking and healing during awakening by just asking some questions like, why did I have that particular dream? How is that relevant to me now? What is it trying to teach me? What is it here that wants to be healed? Is there an identity here? Is there a belief here? And just giving it a little bit of contemplation whenever you have time to, and just seeing, why did I have that dream? What is it trying to reveal to me? And what do I need to do next now? Do I need to get a healing? Do I need to go to therapy on that memory that was shown to me? Do I need to meditate on this? What can I now do with this information that the dream has shown me? And what's so wonderful about dreaming is that we can't delude ourselves about where we're at on the awakening path. So during the day, when we're not sleeping, we may be able to trick ourselves into thinking we're further along than we are, or that we've realized more than we have. But our dreams will reveal to us where we're actually at with awakening. And so it teaches us to be humble. It shows us how to be humble, because it will show us anytime we dream that we are the person having a dream doing whatever it is that we're doing, that shows that there's something more to work on. That's an indicator there that you've believed you're separate again in the dream state. And all of that wants to be worked through. So awakening works through all levels in the psyche, in the body, the emotions, in the dreams, all the way through the unconscious material until everything is completed. And so the dreams can show us where we're at with certain wounds, with certain identities, and where we're at with awakening, where we're at with maturing and growing and evolving as well. So it's so helpful in so many ways if we just take the opportunity to just interpret it a little and ask a few questions and just go a bit deeper into why that particular dream came up at that time. And another way we can use dreams to benefit us during awakening is to set certain intentions, ask to work on something or be shown something, ask to be taught something. And often you'll find one of your teachers appears in the dreams and teaches you something about awakening, about reality that you may not have been able to hear when you were awake during the day because of whatever reason, there being too much content, the mind being too much busy, being too busy. And so in the dream, you're more open and you're more able to hear it and have certain realizations that you may not be able to have when you're awake at certain stages anyway. So you can ask to have a teaching, and that can sometimes work. You can ask to have an experience of your formless nature. You can ask to have a healing. You can try and learn how to become lucid. Sometimes works, sometimes doesn't. And so that you can then ask to have certain things. You can be asked to be shown past lives, all kinds of things that can help you with awakening